Big players on the NASDAQ, a couple with earnings calls after the bell, and one that is launching. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. Microsoft has risen a bit over the last couple of days, but in pre-market trading, it looks very quiet on Wednesday. This does make sense. We have an earnings call after the bell, and that will obviously cause a lot of volatility. The $400 level above is an area that I'd be watching as potential resistance. If we can break above there, that would more likely than not end up being a very bullish sign, as we would then start to attack the 200-day EMA. Anything above the 200-day EMA is obviously bullish, and then we start to talk about trying to get back to the $450 level. A short-term pullback should see a bit of support near the $380 level. Meta also has an earnings report after the bell, and at this point in time, it is approaching the 200-day EMA. It looks like it is going to open the session down a bit, and I think that probably makes sense. You'll see people jockeying for position during the day, trying to gamble on what the earnings call is. I don't necessarily think that this is a market that you're looking to buy yet, at least not until after the announcement and after we clear the $580 level. In the meantime, it does look like it's trying to consolidate and perhaps form a bit of a base. So that in and of itself is somewhat bullish, but I just don't think we have momentum yet. Netflix, on the other hand, is going to open the session down a bit, but it is extraordinarily extended at this point in time, as in the last, say, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we've launched from the 200-day EMA at roughly $840 to touch the $1,125 level during the Tuesday session. So a little bit of a pullback makes sense. I would keep an eye on a couple of major levels in the form of $1,000, and that assumes that we can even get there. And then again, I would watch this latest swing high right around $1,060. So there are a couple of places that I think the buyers will be waiting. And if we cannot break down below $1,090, that tells you that we still have a ton of momentum here. My name's Chris. Give me a thumbs up and like the video for more analysis here at FX Empire.